We'll guide you through how to export JPEG file in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search bar to locate Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application on your computer, then type Figma into the address bar and press enter. From the search results, go to the official Figma website and make sure you are already logged into your Figma account before proceeding. After signing in, the Figma homepage will open in your browser and display your available files and projects. Select your recent project to continue. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open, allowing you to access the canvas, layers, and design settings. Next, choose the frame that you want to export as a JPEG file. If you do not already have a frame prepared, you can create one quickly. Press the F key on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. After the tool is enabled, click and drag on the canvas to draw a frame around the content you want to export. Continue dragging until the frame covers all the layers you want included in the final image. Then release the mouse button to complete the selection. Once the frame is ready, click it to ensure it is selected. Move your cursor to the Design tab on the right side of the interface. Scroll downward through the available properties until you find the Export section near the bottom of the panel. Click the Export area to reveal the available export settings. You will see a format option that determines the type of file Figma will generate. Change the export type to JPEG by selecting it from the list of available formats. When everything looks correct, click Export Frame 1. Figma will process the selected frame and create a JPEG version of your design. After the export is complete, the JPEG file will be downloaded and saved to your device for immediate use later, without requiring any additional export configuration steps.